Hello friends, I'm Ansul, trying to upload the videos related to electronics or electricals which can be useful for you. I come with the topic thermal power plant. This topic actually gives the idea how the electricity is generated and it describes the method of generating electricity. So the content we cover in this topic is introduction, working principle, important parts, advantage and disadvantage. So let me come to the introduction of the thermal power plant. A thermal power plant converts the heat energy of coal into electrical energy. Due to the coal burned in a boiler, water converts into steam. The expansion of steam in the turbine produces mechanical energy. This mechanical energy drives the generator coupled to the turbine. In India, thermal power plant contributes 65% electrical energy. So now we are coming to the diagram, and with the help of this diagram, I will explain you the working principle of thermal power plant. So in the starting of this diagram, one container is available, है ना? So actually this is the coal container. So with the help of the coal container, coal is coming to the boiler, and the below part of the boiler is having coal, and the top part of the boiler is pipes. So when the coal is burnt inside the boiler, so it will produce the heat energy, and this heat energy is sufficient to convert the water into steam, and this steam will directly coming to the turbine. So this steam directly hit to the turbine blades, and the turbine blades gets rotating. So when the turbine blades gets rotating, so mechanical energy is produced, and we know that the generator working of the generator converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy. So actually generator is mutually coupled with the turbine. One arrow marks mentioned in this diagram. So actually in this place one shaft is available. This shaft is common to turbine and generator, means कि this shaft is connected to the turbine and generator. As the turbine blades rotated, so this shaft is rotated, generator shaft also rotating. So generator converts the mechanical energy into electrical energy, and this electrical energy is stored in the transformer, and this transformer transmits the electricity into transmission lines. So with the help of the transmission lines, the electricity is coming to our houses, organizations and institutions in so many places. So after that part, we are coming to the pipes which is in the top of the boiler. So how the water or steam is coming to the pipes? So let we discuss. One river is mentioned in this diagram. So from this river, the water is coming to the reservoir with the help of the pumping station. So this reservoir has sufficient amount of water. So with the help of this reservoir, the water is coming to the cooling tower, and this cooling tower has sufficient amount of water. And just below the turbine, one condenser we are using. So why we are using the condenser, we will discuss. When the hot steam which is produced from the boiler, and it will hit to the turbine blades. So turbine blades is rotating, but 100% steam is not utilized to rotate the turbine blades. Some steam is leakaged. So this leakage steam is collected with the help of the condenser, and this leaked steam is converted into warm water, and this warm water is again we are utilized, है ना? So this warm water is coming to the cooling tower, and it will mix to the cool water. So warm water again become cool. So just below the below part of the cooling tower, one pipe is available, है ना? So with the help of this pipe, the cool water again coming to the condenser, and condenser condensed this cool water, है ना, into condensed steam, and this condensed steam going to the pipes of the boiler, and this process again repeating. And this is the working principle of the thermal power plant. So let we come to the important parts. So the first part, ash disposal pond. It is used to collect the ash of the burnt coal from the boiler. So just below the coal container, one ash disposal pond is available, है ना? It is clearly mentioned in the diagram. So when the coal is burned, so the ash is remaining. So this remaining ash is collected with the help of the ash disposal pond. Now boiler. We already discussed boiler. The main function of the boiler is used to convert water into steam with the help of heat produced by the coal. Now turbine. It is used to convert the steam coming from the boiler into the mechanical energy. Turbine is mechanically coupled with the generator. Now generator. It converts the mechanical energy produced by turbine into electrical energy. It transfers the electricity to the transformer. Now condenser. It is used to condense the cool water into cool steam and hot steam into hot water. There are 2 points actually in the condenser. It will convert the cool water into cool steam and hot steam into hot water. Advantage of the thermal power plant. So the fuel used is cheap. It does not require a very large area. It is easy to make energy from thermal power plant. Now the final disadvantages. Actually this is a big disadvantage. Thermal power plant use fossil fuels to generate electricity, and these fossil fuels cause pollution. And large amount of water supply is required to convert water into steam. Thank you.